Hey, it's Dorn here. Hey, it's Dorn here, and this is the Merry Christmas sale at Harbor Freight live now. Limited time only. It looks like they're valid through January 11th. This is kind of some other special thing besides the coupons. So let's check it out. We got a 36-inch pickup tool, $199. Think I'm gonna get that and try it out, although I already have one, but okay, maybe I don't need another one. Well, I don't have this one, and I could compare it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, um, yeah, maybe I will get it. I have one in my van. I keep it in there in case, because I just need it, and then I could keep this one at home. All right, then we got some work gloves, 199. This garden spray nozzle. Yeah, I have this thing. I haven't really used it all that much though. Some KN95 masks. I'm not sure what KN95 means exactly. Got the little basic tool bag, 15-inch tool bag, 14 pockets. I love these things. This is what I sort of started out with, one of these just basic things. And I loaded them up, made different kits. I still use them. I have different kits in them. They're really awesome because there's lots of pockets. Then there's this 4-inch stacking tilt bin. Those look kind of cool because they snap together. 33% off. Good price there. These earmuffs, $2.99. Have I gotten them? I think when I got them, they were like $1.99 maybe. But I have a few pairs of these. They're just really basic budget. It's nice. I just kind of keep them. I have them at different stations around. Like I have one over at the saw station, one at the grinding station, one over just in the regular area. So they're just on hand in various places. If you just want to throw some protection on, fire up the saw real quick or the grinder. Same thing with eye protection. I'd rather have kind of like a cheaper, more budget thing, and then just have a bunch of them and have them at each of the stations. I like to have eye protection everywhere. I keep buying clear glasses whenever they're like 99 cents. I'll buy like 2, 3, 4 at a time, and just try and put one at every station. But then somehow they just all disappear. I don't know what happens to them. So I just keep buying more. I buy way more than I need, and then I always can't find them. But I try and keep eye protection at each saw, each grinder, each drill press, that kind of stuff. Each station, so you can just grab it if you're doing something. Let's see, we got a tarp here, 8.8 by 11 all-purpose tarp. Got some basic little hang all thing. These are just kind of little hooks, little basic hooks. Here's a cheesy little soldering iron. You could probably, I guess you might be able to get by with that. I don't know what you're doing. Ask me what you're doing, and I'll let you know if this thing might be enough for you. $3.99. I don't. Yeah, that's just really, really cheap. But I do like a lot of soldering in my job, so, yeah. The thought of using one of those. Maybe I could do it, but I don't know. Maybe I could do some of the stuff, but it wouldn't be ideal. All right, little 12-inch ratcheting bar clamp / spreader, 30% off, $3.49. I'm not sure if I have any of the 12-inch ones. I have a few different sizes of these, and I've just kind of been collecting the different sizes of these as they've been on sale. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of those. 12-inch right there's. Here's the 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive star bits socket set 9-piece. 9-piece. Not sure what size it all comes with. 40% off, $5.99. I'll probably grab a set or two of those. I have the Icon set, which is more comprehensive, I believe. And then, basically just the Icon set. But yeah, I would like a Pittsburgh set as a backup and one to keep inside here in my shop. I only have the one Icon, and that's in my van, so I need another set for my workshop. Here's the Warrior General Purpose bi-metal reciprocating saw blade set, 15 piece, 6-inch, 9-inch. I'm gonna go ahead and say skip these. I know it's only $9.99. I have it. It's not all that good. Go ahead and get like I went ahead and just got the Hercules one, and I've been much happier with that. Or maybe even go over to something like a Diablo or Milwaukee. One of those three would be my bets. I have the Hercules, but I'll probably get like the Milwaukee and the Diablo at some point and compare them. But if you want to get something from Harbor Freight, the Hercules, go for that one instead. Got some latex gloves. Oh, I might grab some of those. Yeah, I should grab some of those. Just some longer cuffs type stuff, gloves. I don't have any of those around. Here's a basic little Warrior 12 volt, 3/8 inch drill driver kit. I think it comes with, it says it's a kit. I think that means it comes with the like battery and the charger for $14.99. That's pretty awesome. I kind of want one of those just to keep upstairs so I could have a drill upstairs. Nylon pry bar is the yellow one. I'm not sure if I have this one. $4.99. That's a good price. Go ahead and grab those if you're doing some interior work and you need some panel tools. Those are pretty nice. Here's a wireless security alert system. Okay. Guess this looks like a motion sensing thing. $11.99. That's pretty cheap. Is this the 1 1/4 inch fiberglass axe? $7.99. That's a really good price. I have the hickory one. The hickory handle one is pretty nice. The hickory, beautiful wood handle. Something about that yellow is not all that appealing. It's okay on like the lawn care stuff. When you're getting into like the axe type thing, you might want like a wood handle for just kind of the aesthetics if you're going to be chopping wood or around the campfire, camping type one. But these fiberglass handles are pretty fine. I have various of the lawn tools from Harbor Freight with the yellow handles, and they're all pretty nice. All right, here's the Braun 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact magnetic LED spotlight. All right, so I have 4 of these. I got them when they were on clearance. It was like 40% off, so I have 4 yellow ones. I have 4 yellow ones. They're okay. They recharge with micro USB, which isn't the most robust thing, but if it broke, I should be able to resolder it, although it would be a pain. They rotate. They have a strong magnetic base, 3 different light levels, and I'd probably get more if I could. My one annoyance, or a couple annoyances, is it's hard to find the power button, which is on the back of it. So I marked them with a little piece of, I just painted on them with a red paint pen to mark where the power button is, because you can't really see it and you have to kind of fumble around on the back for it, and it's not very. If the button on the back had like a knurling or some grip or texture or raised bumps or something that was very prominent, it wouldn't be such an issue, but it doesn't really stick out or anything, and it's not very obvious, so you kind of fumble around and feel for it, but it just kind of feels like the rest of the back of it. It has like a minor indent that's like the power logo or something, but that could be better. It should be like just a bunch of little bumps sticking up, very obvious. Here's a Merlin compressor accessory kit, $17.99. That's the higher end one. I just got the basic one. The tube on the basic one's a little bit cheesy on that pull hose. I might get something a little bit nicer like that one at some point. Oh my God, $12.99 for some gel knee pads. That seems like a good price. Camo work performance camo work gloves, $4.99. Those are cool. Earplugs, welding helmet, $34.99. Yeah, let's check out these earplugs. Oops. Here's the 30-bin wall mount parts rack. That looks pretty cool. I should maybe get something like that and mount it in my van. That looks pretty cool. For just all my common, I could even just put like common tools in there. Like you could have those like blue larger bins with like pliers, various pliers or whatever, screwdrivers. Pretty cool. Wow, that's a huge tarp right there. 18 by 24 foot, $54.99. 12-inch tool tote. Oh, that looks like a nice one. Oh, dang, I want that 12-inch tool tote, 18 pockets. It's like one of those rigid open top ones where everything. The problem with that, the other little tool bag, the purse style one that I was talking about earlier, is it's all floppy and everything kind of falls in. Yeah, it has different pockets, so you can put everything in its place and divide everything and keep it organized. But they kind of just flop in. So this has a rigid structure, so everything will kind of stay where it is. I'm actually going to get some of those. $8.99. I didn't even know they had those. Cool. $12.99. A little ammo can right there. Extension cord. 100 foot 12 over 13 gauge. Precision snap pliers. $59.99. 20% off there. There's a Bauer reciprocating saw. That's a corded one, 10 amp, $44.99. Just get the cordless one. You don't want to be tied down by a cord when you're using reciprocating saw. Reciprocating saw is like a tool that has to go to the problem. It's not like the problem comes to it. It's not like a table saw that's like ripping sheets of plywood where the plywood comes to the table saw. This needs to go to the problem. I would get cordless. I have the basic Bauer cordless one. It's not even the brushless one. It's okay. It's not bad if you have like a good blade on it. But if I did it again, I would get like the Hercules brushless, or maybe even like a Milwaukee Sawzall, like the real deal. Here is it's like about 1/3 of a cubic foot electronic digital safe, $37.99. Oh, not a very big sale, but that's a good price, it seems like to me anyways. Here's some rubber air hose, transfer pump, 11% off. Rock tumbler. This is the dual drum. That thing's pretty cool. Only 14% off though. Here's a 7.3 amp 1-inch rotary hammer, $79.99, $20 off there. And then we got the cowhide ball and tape. Oh my gosh, I know these things too well. Adjustable wrist gloves, $4.99, 28% off. But yeah, you can get better gloves or something that's more comfortable. I don't like those. Anyways, that's it for the Merry Christmas sale, but there's also coupons, so check out my other videos and check out my channel for more tool deals, how-to videos, and tool reviews.